What's poppin', mates? This TMX is on a beautiful journey. She's been working hard all her life, hauling people around. And now it's time to give her some love. I started by washing her the F down real good. Cleared away the grease, the mud, and brushed off those rusty blues. You could almost hear her sigh with relief. Like, finally, I can breathe again. Then I touched up the chassis with some spray paint magic. Nothing fancy. Just a gentle coat to bring back the spark in her spirit. A little color, a little love. And she's looking groovy already. Now the next stage, my friends, is all about the heart, the engine. I'll be degreasing it, scrubbing it clean, and polishing the F out that cover till it shined brighter than a summertime sunrise. This low-budget project is turning out fine, so hang loose, mate. This TMX is finding her rhythm again, one piece and love step at a time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. One love.